Hello, thank you for watching this video. This video is going to be on writing writing expressions, because I'm obviously a math teacher, not an English teacher. Writing expressions to represent a scenario. All right. So this first scenario, we have a soccer team of 12, and I'm gonna highlight as I go. So we have a soccer team of 12, very important, soccer team of 12. Went out for team dinner. Wow, see, this is just, let's just correct, good learning experience for everybody. Let's correct English as we go too. A soccer team of 12 went out for a team dinner. Each team member bought 2 burgers. All right, so bought 2 burgers, and keyword each, and we're gonna have bought 2 burgers, 1 fry, and then 1 soda pop. So every team member has bought 2 burgers, 1 fry, and 1 soda pop. So we're gonna let P will represent the cost of a soda pop. F will represent the cost of a fry. And B will represent the cost of burgers. So how I like to look at this scenario is we have 12 people. We have a total of 12 people all making the same exact purchase. We have 12 people all making the same purchase. They're all making the same exact purchase. So what I would think about is, okay, so we have 12 people. Each of them are gonna buy 2 burgers. And we're talking about money, we're talking about costs, so we add costs up. So 2 burgers plus one fry plus 1 soda pop So there's an expression. This is an expression. We have 12 people that are all going to make this same purchase. Each of them are going to spend this same amount of money. All right. Now there's other ways I could have written this. What if I wanted to maybe find out how many total burgers plus total fries plus total pop? Because this is like, okay, here's the total cost times 12 people. But what if I found the total cost of the burgers plus the total cost of the fries plus the total cost of the pops. I did not mean to do that last parenthesis, not purple. Of the pops. That's also an expression. These are equivalent expressions. And if you notice, hopefully some of you are noticing that all this expression is this one distributed out. 12 times 2b, 12 times f, 12 times p. Another way you can even simplify this further is I could just have, okay, well, 12 times 2 burgers, that means, okay, we're buying 24 burgers. Or this team of 12 people are buying a total of 24 burgers and 12f plus 12b. Now these two didn't change, but that changed, so that means that this is a whole new expression. We have one expression, another expression, and a third expression. Is there any other way to write out this scenario? I can think of a third way. What if, because they're all buying 2 burgers, you can even, I don't think this makes it look any more simple, but you could do 12b So this is 12 people buying one burger, plus those same 12 people buying another burger, plus 12 people, plus 12 people, plus 12 people buying the pop, make sure I keep my colors straight, and 20 people buying the fry. That'd be the same thing, just breaking apart the two burgers. So 12 people buying one burger, 12 people buying one burger. Is there any other way to write this? I don't know, I'm sure there are, but this is enough. So there's many different ways to write an expression to represent a scenario. It's just what way, it's really finding the way that makes more sense to you. I always, when it comes to a problem like this, I think about it as this first one of, okay, what's the total cost of this bundled purchase, you know, this 2 burgers, 1 fry, 1 pop, times how many people, each person who is purchasing it, right? So that there's 4 different expressions. So now we have this change up though. We're gonna have this change of the scenario of what if half the team bought 1 burger and half the team bought 2 burgers? So I like to think of a keyword here, and that is, I guess I'll come over here, and that is half the team. Well, what is half the team? Team's 12, so half of 12 is 6. So I like to think of this as breaking up this into half the team purchasing something over here and half the team purchasing something over here. Well, half the team is going to buy 1 burger. So now we're going to switch to half the team buying 1 burger, 1 fry, and 1 pop, while the other half are buying the 2 burgers, 1 fry, 1 pop. So now we have 6 of the team members buying 1 burger, a fry, and a pop, and the other 6 team members still buying the 2 burgers, 1 fry, and 1 pop. So this is an expression, albeit a very long expression, but this is an expression. Another one that you can change is maybe this one. This would be a quick one to change. Is okay, well, all 12 members are buying 1 burger, but are all members buying a second burger? No, only half of the members are buying another burger. So what if another option we can write here is, okay, we have 12B plus 6B, because only half the team is going to buy a second burger. And then you still, you got your plus 12, 12 fries, and then your 12 pops. All right? So you still have your 12 burgers that everybody buys, 1 burger, but then you have half the team buying another burger, and then 12 fries, 12 pops. Obviously, there's a lot more ways you can write this out. But the point is understanding how to break down a story problem, a scenario, a real world scenario into an expression. Okay? So that'd be a good example of that. Number 2, you and a friend. You and a friend. You and a friend makes up how many people? 2 people. All right? And you and a friend are going to an amusement park. You both are buying a package that contains 20 ride tickets and 1 meal ticket. By purchasing this package, they save $5 off the total cost of buying them separately. So we're saving $5 off the total cost. All right, and we are going to let R represent the cost of the ride tickets, and we're going to let M represent the cost of a meal ticket. So what's a way we can write this out? Well, we could write out, we have 2 people, we're getting 20 ride tickets, and we are getting 1 meal ticket. Now what's really important here is in this package, we're not just buying stuff, we're also getting a deal. So we're also saving $5. Now, does saving $5 mean we add money to what these people are paying, or we're taking away money? We're taking away money. So this would be 2 people times the cost of this package at this amusement park. Now, another way you can write this is you could distribute the 2, and it would be 40R plus 2M minus 10. So that would be the cost of 40 ride tickets plus the cost of 2 meal tickets minus the $10 they would save by both buying this package together. Is there another way to write this? Yeah, you could do, another way you could write this would be maybe the 2 times 20R plus 2 times M, and then just subtract off, or actually I would just say subtract the $10 because they're saving $10. If you're saving $5 each, subtract $10. So you got 2 people, 2 individuals getting 20 ride tickets, 2 individuals getting 2 meal tickets, and they're together saving $10. Yeah, there's tons of different ways to write this. All right, moving on to number 3. You and 3 friends. You and 3 friends. You and 3 friends are going to the movies. Each of you will buy 1 popcorn. Each of you will buy 1 popcorn. Throwing highlighters. 1 candy. And 1 soda pop. All right, we're going to let S be soda pop. C be candy. And we're going to let P be popcorn. So you and 3 friends, that is a total of 4 people. All right. So we have 4 people that are all going to buy, we are all going to buy 1 popcorn. So we're going to have 1 popcorn. 1 candy. And then 1 soda pop. You have 4 people buying 1 popcorn, 1 candy, and 1 soda pop. What's another way you could write this? Well, you could write this as 4P plus 4C plus 4S, right? Where you have 4 people buying, or 4 popcorns, 4 candies, and 4 sodas. The cost of 4 popcorn, the cost of 4 candies, and the cost of 4 sodas. Well, what if everyone were to buy 2 candies? So what if instead we were to come down here and we're still getting 1 popcorn, but instead of 1 candy, we're going to come in here, we're going to get 2 candies, and then still getting 1 soda. Well, that's it. That's another expression. That's one way to write that. By changing it just a little bit, that's what we had to change. We're buying 2 candies. Oh, 2C, the cost of 2 candies. Or you can change it as the cost of 4 popcorns plus the cost of 8 candies plus the cost of 4 sodas. That's another way to think about it. Another way you could think about it is 4P plus 4 times 2 candies plus 4S, keeping it all of still highlighting the fact that there's 4 people buying this stuff. Just in this case, we're getting 2 candies instead of 1 candy. So there's different ways to represent story problems. It's just which way makes sense in your mind of how to represent it. Obviously, there are wrong ways, right? There are wrong ways, but there are more than one right way. I hope this video was helpful. If you did watch this video, yeah, hope it was helpful. All right, I'm gonna end this before I get any more awkward. Thank you for watching.